viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will help you that how you can fix a Facebook problem that event tab is missing. Some people in some countries facing this problem and I'll help you that how you can fix this problem. Click on Facebook, click on your profile. Here is the tab of events. Guys, if your tab is missing, then follow my few steps and settings to get this fixed now. Go back, open your Play Store. You have to search Facebook. Here's an update for Facebook. Make sure your Facebook app is updated to latest version. After updating the app, go back. The main thing you do, click on Facebook, app info. Now you have to click on storage. You have to clear cache. After clearing cache and updating the app to latest version, your problem will be